Hello friends, welcome to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. I am excited to share with you how we are going to make bread piece masala today. I like to chop the onions. The onions here are a little too big, so we'll use a big knife and I'll be chopping it finely. Finely chopped onions are really very good. It's a skill we have all developed over a period of time. So we got this new pan actually. We thought it's going to be small, but it's all ordered online. It's way too big. We don't know what to do, but we are doing today Vatana Sundal. Green peas, the dried one, which we have to soak. So as usual, as is the 1 teaspoon oil formula, we put 1 teaspoon oil in this big pan and I've just cut the onions. I've put it in this. We are just adding 1 teaspoon salt to this onion. The onion cooks faster and it doesn't stick to the bottom also. Look at the onions, so beautiful they are, just getting cooked. See, now the onions have been cooked very nicely. They have not stuck to the bottom because we are stirring, and this pan has a nice glass lid. We close it for 1 minute. So here you can see the onions. We didn't use too much oil. We did add a little water here and now. And now I'm just going to put the tomatoes. Here the onions are cooked and we've added the cut tomatoes, and a real great aroma is coming. So we've added the spices: red chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric, and Kashmiri mirch, and jeera powder. Now you can see the spices have been mixed very well, and we are just cooking it for a couple of minutes. Yeah, and here we are adding the dhania paste, coriander, kotamali paste. The green paste added. The color has changed slightly because of the green color. Wonderful. Here we have cooked the green vatana. We soaked it in the morning for 4 hours and I put it in the cooker. I put it in small cooker 2 times so that they don't get smashed, and I just gave 2 whistles and I switched it off. It's finally done, and we will be adding the vatana, that is the dried green pea which we had soaked in water for 4 hours and pressure cooked it for 1 or 2 whistles. Drained, and that water itself we've used for the gravy, so there is no loss of any nutrient. Cannot tell you how much aroma is just filling this room. Cooking is all about excitement and joy. We've just added a little chaat masala also to get the good flavor. Now you can see it's slightly watery. You can have this plain for dinner, which is what this is our dinner today. We'll not be having anything else, and you can have it if you want with bread toasted, or with chapati, or with rice, anything, but by itself, that's the dinner. Yes, the final, we are just putting little mustard seeds. Please see that it always splutters like this. It's a big art to put the mustard seeds. Wait patiently till it splutters nicely. Many of them don't do this. Then add 2 chilies. I am going to put this tadka into the end product. Here the tadka is added, mustard seeds and green chili. And friends, here it is. Finally we get to enjoy this. You can call it Watana masala, or you can call it sundal, or you can call it Watana sabji. Kept bread here. You can have it with bread or chapatis, and bread piece masala is a very yummy dish. You can prepare, enjoy and comment.
Please press the like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. Press the bell icon to keep you informed about our new postings. Your comments help us to improve. Thank you.